Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. So I have gathered all the most interesting hairstyles I could find around, ponytail hairstyles, into one video so that you can be inspired faster and more easily. So look at this hairstyle. It has so much going on. It has the stitch braids, the rubber bands, the sleek ponytail, still the stylist had to coil the hair on two sides. That's a lot. I hope she got really paid well because this hair is fine. The hair is fine. Then when we get to this red ponytail hairstyles, we are going to come across more of them like this one. But look at this. Look at this. In Nigeria, when we say I remove cap for you, it's like you're saluting whoever has done what it is that is shocking you, because it shocked me. Oh, like some of these hairs, I am a hairstylist, but when I see some of these hairs, like look at the precision, look at the sleekness, look at perfection with every curve, with the baby hairs, with the color. It's like pepper red. In Nigeria, we call this pepper red. Oh my god, these hairs are beautiful, and you're just going to see more of them. Oh, this one is so simple and so perfect. That's just what defines these hairstyles, like perfection. They're just perfect. Look at that, it's looking like plastic. Her hair is looking like a plastic material that was just smooth over with liquid plastic, and when it dried out, it was just smooth. And then the colors, how do people dye their hair to these popping perfect colors? How? Oh my god, look at this hairstyle. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. How prim and proper and perfect. Hey, don't you just wish this hair can just transfer to your head, and nobody can tell me anything if I have this kind of hairstyle on. Move. Oh, look at that length. So like the touch of color is just interesting. Baby, you're going to be sitting on your ponytail and it's going to pull off. Oh, I am just going to let you watch, guys. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you like the collection, because all these hairstyles are just perfect. They are perfect. That's the perfect explanation. If you want perfect ponytails, here you go. Yeah, perfect. Enjoy. Wait, I'm not done. Look at this red once again. Look at this red ponytail. Maybe that's the new trend you should try. But I wonder how you're going to achieve this. You have to dye your hair first, and then you get red hair extension. And anyway, if you have the money and a stylist that can do that for you, enjoy, because life is too short to not be having fun with your hair. Let me shut up and go. Enjoy. See you.